Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss an important method of array called for each in JavaScript. Ideally, when you want to traverse through an array, you write a for loop as shown in this sample code. In this sample, you begin with 0th element and traverse through till the last index number. JavaScript gives a method called for each, which can also be used to loop through the array. The syntax of for each is like this, that you write array name dot for each and you pass a function inside these parentheses. The function which you pass, that function is called for every element. It means if you write this code where I declare an array of 3 elements, and if I use the array name dot for each, let's say the function I am passing is show data, then this show data function is called 3 times, that is for element 1, element 2 and element 3. Every time this function is called, for each passes 2 values inside the function. That is the value and the index number. At any point of time, if you want to refer the value or the index number, you can use these parameters passed to the function. Let's try to run this code in an editor and see what is the output. As you can see in the output, it displays the value and the index number as well. So this is how for each can be used to traverse through the entire array. In this case, we have passed the function show data as a reference. Instead of this, you can remove this show data function written separately, and instead you can pass an anonymous function inside for each like this. Let's try to run this code. As you can see, the output is similar. In this case, we have not written a separate function, but instead we have used the inline anonymous function. An anonymous function is a function which doesn't have a name. So these are the two different ways you can use for each. In short, for each is an array method which can be used to loop through the array.